Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a true 138 car, and it is a matching numbers car. Car just went through a very recent frame-off restoration. Love the color combination, and this is factory. Artesian turquoise is the name of this color. Factory ivory interior with a black vinyl top. Killer car, guys. It does have all the original drivetrain in it. They've really done this car back to factory, except for the fact that they've added front disc brakes to it. That's about the really only upgrade I think they really did to it. Gorgeous paint. Again, factory Artesian turquoise is the name of this paint. You can see they got the red lines with the steel wheels and the poverty caps. But good looking car. And really just a pretty color combination. Again, really slick paint. Very nicely done car, guys. Chrome and stainless is nice. We are going to have to get a new windshield. It's got a little crack in their windshield there, so we'll have another one, and it's got it on the way. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, vinyl top's in great shape. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got the old bia-ply red lines on it. I mean, obviously they're not original. They're, I think those are Cokers on there. But it's got the body color steel wheels. And I'll tell you what, guys, we've really done nothing to this car. I mean, we got it in and we're shooting it. Yeah, those are Firestones. So those are from Coker. Now, they have upgraded it to front disc brakes. These cars came standard with drums. Again, matching numbers, 396, 3 1/4 horse, factory 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Factory air cleaner and chrome valve covers, power steering. Again, upgraded to power disc brakes. They have swapped out the radiator too. Pretty car. I love the color combo. A-pillar chrome's really nice. Dual chrome mirrors. You can see they replaced all the window felts and door handles. Looks like the door rubbers are all new. Love the interior. Factory bucket seats, center console. Looks like it's got the optional seat belts in it. Yes, in 66, seat belts were optional. Very nice car. It's probably the original steering wheel. You can see it's pick it at a 86,706. That's supposed to be the original miles on the car. I didn't ask how many miles are on it. I said it was done within the last couple of years, so I'm assuming not very many. Clock works in the console. The radio did not work. I did not get it to come on. Dual exhaust, 12 bolt 331 posi-traction. That's a stock rear axle for it. Jack with spare is in the trunk here. Then we got a redline spare. Yeah, just a little dust in there, guys. Sorry. Yeah, that'll wipe off. Again, we just trying to hurry. Got several cars that just got in, and I know people have been complaining. We've been selling cars before we get them advertised, and I do the best I can. I try to get them done as quick as I can, guys. Color combination. These have definitely been all repadded, refoamed. Looks like it's missing the cigarette lighter's not in there. Yeah, dual chrome mirrors. A-pillar chrome is really nice on this stuff. Pretty much full stock, guys. Runs out great. Just a nice car. Really nothing but a fuel gauge in there. And blower motor work and clock works. Oh, we got a headlight up. Got a headlight on the other side. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. We'll do that. You can do that on our Facebook page, on our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page, guys. You can do that by click the little button there on the right hand side. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.